Hi students, welcome to UR Edugani. Now we are discussing about Python programming. Python programming is nothing but it is widely used in various business sectors such as web development, data science, machine learning. And Python programming is a high level and object oriented programming language which has built-in data structures and dynamic semantics and functional programs. Python programming has modules and packages. We can reuse the code of Python. It is used anywhere. Python programming is developed by Guido van Rossum. First one, if you are a beginner programmer, then learn first Python. Okay, see here. First one is Python is simple and easy to learn. Here see Java and Python programmings are there. To print hello world in Java it needs 3 steps, but in Python it need only print statement, which consists of simple and easy to use and we can understand easily when compared to other languages. So it is more preferred language. Python is a more preferred language than other languages like Java. Next is portable and extensible. We can use anywhere, reuse the code. Portable and extensible means cross language operations like Python is supported by most platforms from Windows, Linux, like that. And it is extensible means we can integrate Java as well as .NET components. You can also invoke C and C++ libraries. Next, career opportunities and salaries. Career growth and salary is more when compared to other languages. Python language provides several job opportunities and promises high growth with huge salary prospects. Means top companies like Amazon, Google, IBM, YouTube, Netflix, NASA, they are using Python as a programming. So we we may think that in future also there is huge demand of Python language. So it is need to learn Python first so we can understand easily. Okay, and provides vast collection of frameworks that much easier to understand. Next, yeah, here see the demand of Python programming is increasing drastically by the year when compared to Java. See here, Java is less preferred than Python, then JavaScript, C, C++, and R. So Python is more high in demand. Next, active in community. In When we are used to install Python, there is a one community tab will be there. If you got any errors or issues with the software, then you need to post your queries in the community forms. The community members will address in quick time. So it is also an advanced option by using Python. Okay, libraries and packages. Python consists of more libraries such as NumPy, calculations, statisticals, web development, machine learning, and data science. Libraries and packages, frameworks, and modules it consists for manipulation of data. Okay, for web development, Python also used in web development because it provides vast number of frameworks to developers to develop web applications. So it is easy to develop web development projects by using Python language. It is also used in machine learning because it is simple to understand and simple syntax and semantic machine learning libraries are there in Python language. And data science, it is also used in data science for visualization of graphics. Some of them are Django, like that. robust and scalable. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You are Edugani. Please like, share and comment.